Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, HDR toning for dramatic skies. Import your sky photo to boost clouds and colors through HDR toning. Convert it into a smart object for editable effects. Open HDR toning to reveal clouds details and also increase strength for dramatic skies, boost details to highlight cloud textures and lower highlights for better sky depth. Now raise shadows to show darker tones and also adjust gamma for cinematic atmosphere and add vibrance for intense sky color. Reduce saturation if it becomes too strong. Adjust exposure to maintain balance. Mask HDR from ground if necessary. Polish HDR strength. Compare with the original sky. Save your HDR style dramatic sky.